Alright guys, you know how much I love this plane. Well, I'm trying to get it back in the air, and we've tried all kinds of different things, but this time, what I'm going to do is try to resurrect the motor from, yes, you've guessed it, that pesky plane, the Horizon Obby Aeroscout Mini. So what I've done is I've taken this plane, and I've attached that awesome motor, and it seems to work okay, so I'm going to try it out and see if it works. It's just wide enough that it does not hit these bits over here, so it should fly okay. The problem is weight, right? This little battery is not going to be enough to get it in the right spot, so we're going to use something to weight it out correctly because we don't want it to be this tail heavy. Once we have the CG roughly okay so that it will stay in this position, it should fly, and we'll test that out.
Likey